because we think TikTok is the best kept marketing secret, we have some tips and tricks for you to grow your business on TikTok. Hi there! If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new to your channel, my name is Lucy. I'm Victoria. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you like this video. In today's video, we'll be sharing with you why you have to be on TikTok if you're a small business owner or you want to start a business. It's the best way to build the brand awareness and engagement you need for a successful online business. We will be sharing with you the 5 reasons why we think TikTok is the #1 platform you need to be on right now. And wait till the very end because we'll be sharing with you some of our tips and tricks that will help your account grow on TikTok. TikTok is probably the only social media platform right now that you can gain a lot of followers and attractions just by being on the platform. It's a discovery platform, so it really allows your brand and your business to be shown to so many individuals that may have not heard of your brand before. It's the only platform where you'll have 0 followers, post 1 video, and have that video go viral. The reason for this is that they have a very powerful algorithm that's unlike any other social media platform. For anyone who thinks that TikTok is really meant for teenagers or people who know how to dance, that is not the case. TikTok can be used for a variety of ways, and it's not just for teenagers, and it's definitely not just for people who can dance. In terms of users on TikTok, as of now, TikTok has 800 million users and counting, and they're acquiring more every single day. They're one of those fastest growing social media platforms. Just to give an idea of how big they are, Instagram has 1 billion followers. So you can see TikTok is really getting there and growing in user base. TikTok is such a growing platform that a lot of big brands are also jumping onto it because they see the potential. Big brands such as NBA, MAC Cosmetics, Chipotle, Calvin Klein, even the Washington Post is on TikTok. A lot of these brands are creating really engaging TikTok video. Platform to increase their audience, create brand awareness, and engage with more potential customers. So let's get into the top 5 reasons why you have to be on TikTok if you're a business owner or starting your business soon. The first reason why you as a business owner or a future business owner should be on TikTok is because it's a fun and creative way to engage with your potential customers. It's a new way to really show a different side of your business. Having a TikTok account really allows you to add a persona to who you are behind the scenes. It really helps your customers to see your business in a different perspective. Because TikTok is so creative, you can really create engaging, humorous, funny, any types of video that just shows your brand from a different perspective. This will not only increase your engagement with your current customers, but also will reach new customers that you may have not reached if you weren't on TikTok. So the second reason why you need to be on TikTok is that TikTok is not like Instagram. I know we both have felt this way about Instagram for years, which is it takes such a long time to build your following and to build your community on Instagram. To the point where only the big players, like dominant players, are able to engage heavily and increase their following. Instagram doesn't do a good job at supporting small accounts to grow them on the platform and to help them build an audience. It always feels like on Instagram that it's kind of too late for us. You know, if you want to start today, like good luck. But it's very different on TikTok, and let's go into some of the reasons why. So unlike Instagram, TikTok has a lot of organic reach. The 3 things I wanted to point out for why TikTok and Instagram are very different, and you should look at TikTok and Instagram differently. The first being, if you know of Instagram, you know that a lot of your content you produce on Instagram must be very aesthetically pleasing. It must be nice and eye-catching. Right? That's what Instagram is known for. Photos must be very attention-grabbing. TikTok content is effortless. You see that some of the people who produce content on TikTok produced it in their pajamas. TikTok is more about the content of the video and not so much how the video looks. The second point being the most important thing that differentiates Instagram and TikTok, and that is how it structures its feed for you. So as a user on Instagram, we know that most of us are scrolling through our personal Instagram feed, which is all the people and content that we follow And there is also a discover page or explore page on Instagram, but you're less likely to go on that page. Now on TikTok, the default page and where most people spend their time is on the For You page, and that is the discover page. Because most people spend their time on the For You page in taking content that is new from other accounts that they normally don't follow, that's easy for you to discover even more content that you're not interacting with. On the For You page, there's always new and trending videos. It will be content that you will like because TikTok algorithm understands what kind of content you like to interact with. So this just means that people that are using TikTok are consuming even more content. You don't even need to have followers to get your content to show up on millions of people's For You pages. And that's why a lot of people can go viral. This is so rare on Instagram. You cannot do that. And the only way you can do that is if you're famous. The third point I wanted to mention is the Go Live feature. So depending on the type of business or the kind of product you're selling or the type of brand you're building, TikTok offers you the opportunity to go live with your audiences. We know that Instagram also has this feature, but the difference between the two is that TikTok incentivizes you to do so. It allows your audience, people who follow you, people who enjoy your product, your content, give you virtual points when you go live. So it's pretty much allowing the people who already like you and love your content to give you the recognition for all of the content you're producing. And that's something Instagram has never done. That is the reason why many people on Instagram don't go live. That's why as a content producer, you must look at TikTok very differently from how you look at Instagram. The third reason why we think you should be on TikTok as a business owner or a potential business owner is because TikTok's lifetime value is much longer than Instagram's. So once you upload a video on TikTok, it could hit someone's For You page and there could be a batch of people who actually watch your content. If it does well with that group of people, they will release it to more potential people who might enjoy your video. And from that, your video can continue to grow. And it doesn't just stop after day 2, after day 3, or a week. It can continue to grow for the lifetime of your video. On the other hand, Instagram may push your content out because of specific hashtags you use or because your followers saw your content. They might like and engage with your posts maybe a day or 2 days after you post it, maximum a week, and you may not get as much engagement after that. Your content on Instagram may not go as viral because they only push that content out for the first few days. Right now it's kind of hard to really understand the TikTok algorithm since it's still so new. Because the shelf time of a TikTok video can be much longer than other social media platforms, it's so important to understand what metrics will help your video go viral. The two metrics that we believe that are so important to understand is your watch time and your shares. By increasing these, you're able to get your videos out to a wider group of audience. So our fourth reason why we think as a business owner you must be on TikTok right now is you can literally get free traffic. I know nothing in life is free, but this is actually free because okay, maybe if you're producing content that's not free, but we posted a link on our bio a day or up to a week after we first started posting on TikTok. As you can see, that link has this many clicks after a little over a month. That is free traffic to your website, to anything that you want to post on your profile. All of this is to say that it's much more cheaper to advertise your business and your brand on TikTok than even running Facebook ads because Facebook ads can be so expensive. So no matter what, having just a link on your account, that will actually help drive more traffic and engagement to your website and your business. Reason number 5 is TikTok is best for building engagement and awareness to your brand or business. But this doesn't mean that it can lead to conversions. It's pretty much free traffic. So I think using TikTok, creating these videos are really a way to show your business from a different perspective and really engage with customers that may not have been your customers. And then having links on your bio in your TikTok profile. So that could be to your website, it could be to your YouTube, your Instagram profile. We're not necessarily saying that you'll get conversions on your website through purchases. What we're saying is that it can help really build your brand and engagement with your community and also drive traffic. So now I'll be sharing with you some tips and tricks for you to grow your business on TikTok. The first, to keep it light and fun, to really show a more creative and humorous side of your brand. So whether that is making funny videos,
We're having trouble. OMG.
or showing behind the scenes, BTS. Or anything that's really engaging outside of your normal brand, your other social platforms will really allow you to grow on TikTok. The second trick is to make sure you enable the pro account. It's free and it helps you understand your analytics for all your video and all the content you're producing. It helps you understand which content is doing very well and which content isn't. It helps you understand the demographics of your followers, as well as the best times for you to potentially post on TikTok. Another tip is to use music that is trending. Music and video is a big part of TikTok. And so you want to capitalize by using what people are excited or interested about right now. A lot of the music that go viral really help people engage with your account. Another trick is creating a hashtag challenge for your brand. So Walmart actually did a really good job by creating a hashtag called Saving Shuffle.
Excuse me, how much is this?
Oh, that's 178.
It's a really low price.
Yeah, man, you know it.
As a small brand, you can also create these hashtags that really engage with your customers and also allow them to use your hashtag so they can get more engagement on your account. Another tip is to engage with other businesses and accounts on TikTok. Many small businesses are using TikTok to really build their product and their brand. What you want to do is make sure you're also building this brand and community for yourself and with other brands. Another tip and trick is to create promotions or giveaways with duets. This is even better than having someone share your content. When a person duets you, they're pretty much posting a video about your content and all their followers are able to see that duet and eventually be able to engage with your account. Use TikTok as a platform to collaborate with other influencers and build partnerships. So you can treat it like any other platform. There's a lot of influencers and content producers right now that are actually releasing videos about the brands that they love and they use every day. Our last tip and trick is to not make your content an obvious ad. So I think TikTok does great in creating brand awareness and engagement. So creating videos around your product and your product features instead of, saying buy one, get one free. Actually creating ads, we think the best way to approach this is to really display the back end, behind the scenes of your product, of your business, whether that be packaging or if that is shipping or if that shows your family owned business.
And it went like
and it really shows behind the scenes of where your product is, and we think that's the best way to drive traffic to your business. Think of it as showing your audience the authentic side of your brand. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, comment any of your tips and tricks for helping you grow your business on TikTok. And let us know if you enjoy any of these tips and tricks. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We do post every week. Bye! Oh my god. So for anyone who's new on TikTok, the video is shot vertically.